Manga can literally make you hear silence. Western comics only draw loud sounds like BEM or POW, but Japanese manga uses thousands of silent visual sound effects. Artists draw actual text symbols for complete quiet, intense staring, and even the feeling of skin shivering in sudden fear. These visual cues bypass your logical mind, tricking your brain into feeling physical sensations without hearing any audio at all. Even crazier, distorted typography forces your internal reading voice to change pitch. What is your favorite manga? Subscribe for daily facts because